Begin by getting into a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting with your back supported. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, letting your breath become slower and deeper with each inhale and exhale. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Let your mind become calm and peaceful. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you, filling you with a sense of relaxation and tranquility. As you continue to breathe deeply and calmly, begin to visualize yourself in a place that makes you feel happy and content. See yourself in a situation where you might have lost your temper in the past. This time, see yourself in control. You no longer respond with anger. You respond with understanding and calm. You no longer feel a need to retaliate. You can now allow people to be themselves and allow them their own priorities. You no longer get angry because they do not agree with you. The only value someone else's opinion has is the value you give it. You no longer get angry because their opinion is different from yours. You are in control of your own emotions, and reacting with anger is negative. You are now choosing to be positive. You will never again react with uncontrolled anger. Instead of becoming angry, you can now see their view. You now react with understanding and care and are calm. You react with positive thoughts and emotions in your mind every single day of your life.